Who's red?
Shiver.
Shiver.
Oh, the names.
And he's the littlest, right? Is he still the littlest? Okay. We had one where she questioned, I think it's going to be the last one you do, which was actually the first one. But she questioned if she'd weighed him right because he almost doubled.
Oh, wow.
A couple times, right? Like he just...
Well, not quite.
He packed it on
big
so
yawn.
fast that it was like, wait, did I measure wrong? Because they don't usually gain that much that quickly.
Right.
But yeah, it seems like that's what he's done. So
This one has a little bit in the lower cervical, too.
so not just the atlas, but a little bit down. Okay.
Which is all, I mean, that's still normal compensation patterns, probably. He might have had his head turned or something, you know.
And none of them have had any issues with nursing or anything, right? And they've all been gaining, and they're all, so we don't have any anything we're concerned about with this litter.
Really
so
well, it makes sense then that I'm not really finding
anything. That's
weird.
good.
Polar's the fussiest, so you might find a little more with him, maybe.
Is that the last one?
Yeah, he's blue.
The blue guy. Okay.
Or he might just be a dramatic puppy.
It could go either way.
Yeah, that's good. He feels pretty good back here. Yeah. So yeah, so he just had the upper cervical and the lower cervical there. Come here, buddy.